Here's an unboxing and look at my 250 watt personal electric ceramic heater. It has a tip-over safety switch which I'll test out, one heat setting, and like all ceramic heaters, it should give off some quick directional heat. It seems to be on the quiet side, and does give off some nice personal heat. It looks like it should be good for small spaces, like my spare guest room, and also could be good for under a desk at offices. And the tip-over switch seems to be working well. Another reason I bought this particular heater is to use with my Jackery Explorer 1000, which is a portable generator with battery power station, and at 250 watts, it can provide some emergency heat in case of a power outage in winter.